Do you know who you are? In today's video, I just want to, bring in this topic. We would have spoken about it so many times in so many different ways. But, I just kind of was thinking and I was going through pretty much the same thing where we just start to question our being. And that is what I want to discuss in this video today. क्या आपको पता है आप कौन हो? And are you really aware? Are you present to the fact that this is who I am? Or are you busy living what you've been taught to be? This is who you're supposed to be. Hi, I'm Astha Tatia, and as a happiness coach, I help leaders become the most sought after leaders by having deep connects and meaningful relationships in their organizations. Do hit the like button if you find this video meaningful and subscribe to the channel as well. Well, talking about who you are, I feel a lot of times as we go through life and we are confronted with certain situations, कुछ ऐसा आता है और हम इतने ज़्यादा इन्फ्लुएंस हो जाते हैं लोग क्या कह रहे हैं उससे, हम इन्फ्लुएंस हो जाते हैं हमें क्या होना चाहिए, कैसा होना चाहिए उससे, हमारी जो कंडीशनिंग है, हमारे जो बिलीव्स हैं उससे. And that supposed to is such a heavy baggage to live with, but somewhere we think that we are supposed to live with that baggage also. So one is, who am I? At the core, what do I really want? All of it takes the back seat. And who am I supposed to be? What should I be doing? How should I be behaving? If I'm thinking like this, then questioning that thinking also happens. ऐसा क्यों सोच रही हूँ मैं? ये गलत है, मुझे ऐसा नहीं सोचना चाहिए. अगर ऐसा सोच रही हूँ तो शायद मेरे साथ ही कुछ प्रॉब्लम है. I think it is scary sometimes that my whole essence is in what do I really want, who I am at the core, and I am missing out on that completely. I'm pushing it aside completely and trying to be somebody who I am not and who people want me to be. And that is why people spend their entire lives and yet they don't realize who they are. Yet they don't understand who they are. Yet they don't understand why, if there is something that's bothering them, it's bothering them because at the core, this is who they are. And it's not about right or wrong. सही और गलत की बात नहीं है. मैं ऐसी हूँ, मैं हूँ. What is serving me, what is not serving me is a different question altogether. Acknowledging that this is who I am is the first thing, most important thing. So I just wanted to raise this point today through this video. इस वीडियो के माध्यम से मैं ये पॉइंट आप तक लाना चाह रही थी, आपको रिमाइंड करना चाह रही थी कि जो भी आप हैं कोर पर, प्लीज ट्राई टू बी अवेयर. अगर नहीं पता है तो उसको डिस्कवर कीजिए, उससे कनेक्ट होने का प्रयास करिए. Don't push yourself to be somebody who the society wants you to be, people around you want to be, family wants you to be. No. If somebody says something, listen to it, but please see if that is in sync with who you really are. It's important that you must know who you really are. What do you stand for? What excites you? What inspires you? What do you believe in? Who are you at the core? अगर वो नहीं जाना तो इट्स लाइक मतलब धक्का मार के गाड़ी चलाए जा रहे हो, फ्यूल ही नहीं. So please don't do that. The moment you start connecting with yourself and you get aware, get present to the need to know who you are and being aware of that, I think it's going to be a game changer. Yeah, think about it, do it, and let me know. I hope you found this thought provoking and meaningful. And if you did, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.